Hey guys, welcome back again to Discover Winnipeg, Canada. It's me, your host Zini. In this video, it's Halloween season, guys. I know it was Halloween just last year. It's Halloween season, guys, and I know some of you are looking for last minute inspiration. That's why this video is here. If you're looking for last minute inspiration or just inspiration generally for your office space, you can apply this inspiration for your house. If you're looking for how to make your office space sparkle for this Halloween season, this video is for you. Not just your office space, if you're looking for just general Halloween ideas to make your spaces sparkle, watch along. I'm going to be taking you through a Halloween decoration for an office space. You can, get inspirations for your own office space or even your home. All right, guys, let's go. Guys, so on the office Halloween inspiration, you can start with something like this. This is an artificial web. You guys see how this looks? You can gradually, if your office section has something like this, a divided cubicles, you can start put on something like this. A closer look. Web. And don't forget to put the spiders on the web. It gives it a very real effect. You can top up your decoration with this. These are plastic balloon spiders. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, be sure to let me know what you think in the comment section. What do you think about the decorations? Also, please do not forget to like and subscribe. I am trying to meet my first 50 subscribers goal, and you can help me get there. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up by liking. Let me know what you think in the comment section. What do you think about the decorations? And subscribe. I will see you guys again in my next video. Bye. Happy Halloween for those who celebrate.